My original solar oven was made out of cardboard. The outside was painted black to attract heat. The inside was full of tin foil to reflect the light from the sun and effectively heat up the box or the oven. The duct tape was used to hold the cling wrap in place, and the cling wrap was used to cover the entire top and hold the heat inside of the solar oven. So this was my original design. Unfortunately, at the moment in South Australia, we are going through quite a cold winter, which means that it is very hard to use solar as a way of heating or cooking any food. So I will be using a heater, but I made some improvements to my design, and this is my final design here. So as you can see, I've added some aluminium panels to the side. So this will reflect extra radiation from here into the bottom where a container will be trying to cook some eggs. Also, the inside is still the same with the aluminium foil used to reflect the radiation to the food, which will be cooked down below. The box is still painted black, the entire box, as it is being used to attract the heat, as black does attract heat. And the cling film is still on top and just using one layer, and that is going to help to trap the heat and make sure that the heat stays inside and we create more heat. I've also added a temperature gauge so that I know what the temperature is inside of the box, and at the moment it is 20 degrees, and that's inside my house. And I've also added, which I didn't have before, a door to the side, and it's just here, it's just been cut out, and it just opens so that we can add food to the middle to cook. And it's also a reusable device, because originally I only had this cling wrap on the top, which I was going to open and tape back over, which means it wouldn't have been reusable. So hence I've added this. Okay, so now that the solar device is here, I'm going to put it in front of my heater, which is here. And I'm just going to sit it in front of the heater, like so. And I'm going to leave it there for half an hour, and then we'll come back and check the temperature. Okay, so it's been half an hour, and I forgot to mention that the heater is set on 22 degrees and is currently at 22 degrees, and that's what it was when we first started. So our solar oven has reached 39 degrees, so it's doubled, and it's also 40 centimeters away from the heater. So now we're going to insert the egg.